In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar in Chrome to bring your tasks, personal plans, and work schedule together in one clear view. First, open Google Chrome on your computer, then go to Google Calendar. Once it loads, you'll see your calendar layout where your day, week, or month is displayed in an organized visual format. This is the central place where everything comes together, and the goal is to make it your single, reliable source for planning daily life. As you look at the calendar, start thinking of it as more than just a place for appointments. This layout can help you combine different parts of your life into one system. Instead of keeping work events in one place, personal reminders somewhere else, and tasks in your head or on separate lists, use this one calendar view to create a complete picture of your time. Bring your tasks into the same space as your scheduled events so you can see what actually fits into your day. Add your personal plans as well, including errands, family time, exercise, or anything else that matters outside of work. Then include your work calendar so meetings, deadlines, and professional commitments are visible alongside everything else. When these categories live together in a single layout, it becomes much easier to avoid overbooking yourself and to make better decisions about your time. One of the biggest benefits of this approach is clarity. When everything is visible in one place, you can quickly spot busy periods, open windows, and areas where your day may be unbalanced. It also helps reduce the mental effort of trying to remember what's coming next, because your calendar is doing that work for you. As you review the calendar, pay close attention to the blank spaces. Don't treat them as empty time that automatically needs to be filled. Instead, see them as invitations to plan intentional downtime. That might mean leaving space to rest, recharge, take a walk, eat without rushing, or simply pause between responsibilities. Protecting open time can be just as important as scheduling productive time. This mindset helps create a more sustainable routine. A calendar should not only show what you have to do, but also support how you want to live. By opening Google Calendar in Chrome, combining your tasks, personal life, and work calendars into one layout, and treating free space as meaningful time, you create a schedule that is not just organized but intentional.